Hey guys, this is my first video, but what I wanted to do was let everybody know the problem that I found in my 1991 Astro. It's a Chevy Astro, and I'm having a problem starting. Right, so what I figured out was that when I take away this cover, and there's other videos that you can find on how to take these covers off, but when I take away that cover, it starts right up. So I found later, through just kind of looking under there, that there's a wire that goes from the distributor cap right here to the coil right here. All right, and if you look at this wire, it's rubbed down, so it must have been from putting the cover off and on. Well, I have a new distributor wire right here. So if you go ahead and install that, right, you gotta make sure you match it up. This goes to the top. If I can find it. Yep, there it is. And this goes, make sure it's installed the same way underneath this hose. And then this goes to the bottom, right? And then when I put the cover back on, starts back up. So guys, the problem was the coil wire. So this isn't going to be the problem all the time. Sometimes it could be the battery, sometimes it could be not enough gas, it could be the spark plug wires, but in my case it was the coil wire. So if you're having that problem, take the case away. If it starts up, then check this.